In this video, I'll show you how to streamline your Logic Pro workflow, fewer clicks, faster results, and more time actually making music instead of fighting with the software. First, track stacks. Track stacks in Logic Pro are a way to group multiple tracks together so you can manage them as a single unit. There are two types: folder stacks, which simply organize tracks under one parent fader without affecting the audio, and summing stacks, which actually route all the grouped tracks through a new aux channel, letting you process and mix them as one instrument or bus. The big difference is, folder equals organization only, summing equals routing plus processing. This is super useful for keeping sessions clean, controlling levels more easily, and applying effects to entire groups like drums, vocals, or layered synths. Next, templates. Templates in Logic Pro save you from reinventing the wheel every time you start a project. Instead of setting up tracks, instruments, buses, and plugins over and over, a template loads everything exactly how you like it, ready to record or produce instantly. It's basically a time machine for your workflow. Less setup, more creating. Next, customize the control bar and display. Customizing the control bar and display in Logic Pro means you only see the tools and meters you actually use, right where you need them. Instead of digging through menus or wasting space on features you never touch, everything important is one click away. That cuts down on distraction and speeds up navigation, so your brain stays in music mode, not where the hell is that button mode. Next, color coding. Color coding in Logic Pro keeps your session visually organized. Drums one color, vocals another, synths their own shade, etc. Instead of scanning endless track names, your eyes instantly know what's what. That saves time, reduces mistakes, and makes even massive projects feel way less overwhelming. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.